Hello guys, today I've got Xiaomi Sound to play and I'm going to show you how to set the device type on your Android phone, of course, Xiaomi Sound to play. At first, open your settings. Here, connections and Bluetooth. On other devices than Samsung, you need to go just to Bluetooth or connected devices. As you can see, here we've got our device, Xiaomi Sound Play. We're going to tap this gear icon near our device, and now we've got, as you can see, rename, disconnect and pair, audio device type, and many other things. We're going to tap audio device type, and here select, of course, speaker. Use volume monitor to protect your hearing while using headphones, and of course, selecting device type may help with the measurements of the hearing. So that's it. Goodbye.